Good morning, student. Welcome back in this class. Today we are with one of the most wanted chapter of class 10 science, that is the electricity. Under the previous session, we have completed the concept of the combination of series and parallel resistance. Now, in this sequence, we will discuss about some numerical problem which is based on the NCERT example. The first question of in this video, that is, find out of the following electric circuit given in figure alongside. The first question, effective resistance from 8 ohms resistor in the combination. Second is the current flowing through 4 ohms resistor. And now next is the potential difference across 4 ohms resistor, and next question is the power dissipated in 4 ohms resistor, and last question, that is difference in ammeter reading if any. So in this question the circuit diagram is given here. In this circuit diagram, that is there the 8 ohms resistor are used in this circuit. They are parallel to each other. As you know that the resistance in parallel, if the two or more than two resistor joined two common point, and where the electric current will be different on each resistor and potential difference will be same. So in this circuit, here is the 8 ohms and this one is the 8 ohms. They are connected, or combination of the resistance are used in this circuit, that is the parallel combination. So here is the potential difference, that is the 8 volt, and now another resistor 4 ohms are used in the between the AB, and here is the meter A1 are used and A2. So according to the first question in this circuit, that is the effective resistance of two 8 ohms resistor in the combination. So here is the, in this circuit, 8 ohms, two 8 ohms resistor are used in the form of parallel combination. So we know that if the two are more than two resistor in the parallel combination, there are the equivalent or net resistance in the reciprocal of the individual resistor. So the formula of parallel combination, if the two resistor are used in the parallel combination in any circuit, so there the equivalent resistance is equal to 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So according to the parallel combination, there are the two resistors are used, R1 and R2. Then and net or equivalent resistance, suppose that R. So reciprocal of the equivalent resistance is same as or equal to the sum of reciprocal of the each individual resistor. So here is the two resistor are used, suppose that R1 and R2, and equivalent resistance is R, then reciprocal of the equivalent resistance 1 by R is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of the individual resistor, means 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So now the regarding the first question, that is the effective resistance of 8 ohms resistor. So here the 8 ohms resistor are used in the parallel combination. So now we can calculate according to the formula of the parallel combination. So 1 by R equal to 1 by R equal to, the first resistor is 8 ohms and another resistor also 8 ohms. Then reciprocal of the 8 and another 8, then 1 by 8 equal to plus 1 by 8. So sum of the reciprocal of the 8 omega resistor, that is the 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So simplify here, that is 1 by R equal to 8 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 8 4, then R equal to 4 omega. So the value of the effective resistance of 8 omega resistor, which is combined in the parallel, then equivalent resistance here, then 1 by R equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, the value of effective resistance is R equal to 4 omega resistor. That is the solution of the first question. Now the second question is here, question number 2. Current flowing through 4 omega resistor. So in this circuit, we can see that here, that is 8 volt battery, and that is the positive terminal, and current flow to the positive terminal to negative terminal. So here the current I, suppose that net current in this circuit, that is I, flows across to the 4 omega resistor. Then total of net current is flows across to the 4 omega resistor, and this one is the divided or distributed among between the 8 omega and 8 omega, because they are connected in parallel combination. So first of all, according to the question number 2, that is the equivalent resistance in this circuit. So the new resistance R dash equal to, in this circuit 4 omega in the series combination and 8 and 8, they are the connected in parallel combination. So 8, the equivalent resistance in this circuit, that is the 4 omega, and here is the 4 omega, they are connected in the series combination. So now equivalent resistance in this circuit, that is 4 plus 4, they are 8 omega. So now we can calculate here current flowing across to the 4 omega resistor, then current I equal to, and here is the potential difference, that is the 8 volt. So according to Ohm's law, we know that V equal to I into R, then I equal to V by R. So apply this formula in this case. So I equal to V by R. So potential difference or voltage in here is given in this circuit, that is the 8 volt. So put the value of potential difference in 8 volt here, then 8 by, and R dash means total or equivalent resistance in this circuit, that is 8 omega. So 8 by 8 equal to 1. The value of current is 1 ampere. The value of current is 1 ampere. Question number 2, current flowing through 4 omega resistor. So here we can see that in this circuit, current I, net current, suppose the net current is I, so net current flow across through the 4 omega resistor. First step in this question, that is the total or equivalent resistance is here 8 omega. Then according to Ohm's law, that is the V equal to I into R and I equal to V by R. Apply this formula in this question. that is the V by R dash. So here the equivalent resistance is 8 omega and potential difference is given in the circuit, that is 8 volt. So 8 by 8 equal to 1 ampere. This net current is 1 ampere. Now the third question about in the circuit, that is the potential difference across 4 omega resistor. Potential difference, that is question number 3rd. So potential difference, what is the potential difference? As you know that the potential difference, if the resistor are used in any circuit in the form of combination, that is the series combination, then the potential difference in each resistor will be different and electric current will be same in each resistor. So now the potential, what is the potential difference across to the 4 omega resistor? Then according to here the apply the Ohm's law, we know that the potential difference equal to I into R. Potential difference V equal to I into R. So in this circuit, the total arc current I flows across to the 4 omega resistor. In this circuit, that is the I equal to 1 ampere. Then current 1 ampere flows across to the 4 omega resistor. So now put the value of electric current and resistance are given here, the 4 omega. Then put the value of I equal to 1 ampere and R equal to 4 omega. So according to this formula, V equal to I into R, put the value of I and R is given. The formula I1 into 4, that is the 4 volt. So that is the third question. Now the next question is the power dissipated in 4 omega resistor. So in this circuit, what is the power in 4 omega resistor? Power, that is P. What is the value of P in 4 omega resistor? So we know that P equal to question number 4. So according to this question, what is the power dissipated in 4 omega resistor? So we know that power equal to P equal to I square R. The formula of the power in the electric current and resistance is here, P equal to I square R. So electric current 1 ampere flows across through the 4 omega resistor. The value of I equal to 1 ampere and resistance are given here, the 4 omega, R equal to 4. Then according to the formula, the power P equal to I square R, put the value of I and R is here, then P equal to 1 square into 4. That is the value of 1 square into 4. Then P equal to 1 into 4, that is P equal to 4 watt. So power dissipated across to the 4 omega resistor, the value of power, that is the 4 watt. Now the next question is here, difference in ammeter reading if any. So in this circuit, there are 2 ammeters are used, that is the A1 and A2. So here is the no difference between the A1 and A2, because here the electric current will be same. Electric current, that is the 1 ampere, will be same in this circuit. So according to the force or difference in ammeter reading, if any, so here is no difference because the electric current will be same in this, in whole circuit. So there are question number 5. What is the difference if reading? There are no difference. So answer will be no. There are no any difference in both ammeter because current will be same flow across through the in 4 omega, 8 omega and 8 omega. So now the next question is here, question number 2.